Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A3 Sport. This is a Sportsback with the Xenon headlights with the daytime running LEDs, the front headlight washer jets with the 17-inch 5-arm alloy wheels, chrome surrounds on the exterior windows with the privacy glass from the B pillar backwards, rear parking sensors with the twin polished chrome exhaust. Now this is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a remainder of the manufacturer's warranty, and a remainder of the manufacturer's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the heated exterior mirrors with the full black leather front sport seats, automatic headlights and wipers with a 3-spoke leather multifunctional steering wheel with cruise control, Audi's MMI display with navigation, dual digital climate control with a 6-speed manual gearbox, the electronic handbrake and auto hold assist. Now if you'd like any more information on this Audi A3, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.